How to change name in Facebook Lite? First of all, launch the Facebook Lite app on your device. Ensure to sign in or log into your account. Now tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now scroll down and then select Settings and Privacy. Select Settings and tap on See More in Account Center. Select the profiles at top of the screen and then choose the particular Facebook Lite account, which name you want to change on your Facebook Lite application. Now on this section, you can either choose the name or username. For now, let's tap on name as we are here to change our name. You can easily remove this first and the last name and easily enter the new name. You need to make sure and be aware that you can't change it again for the next 60 days. So in order to change your name again, you have to wait for the next 60 days and only you'll be able to change name in Facebook Lite. After you re-enter your name, tap on Review Changes and your changes will be saved on Facebook Lite and your name will be changed. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and then subscribe for more tech and tips videos.